Hi, I'm Sienna and I'm going to show you how I get my everyday, easy summer look. And these are my beauty secrets. So the first step, I'm going to use Charlotte's Glow Toner, which is a bit of a miracle cheat. And it soaks in, it just feels really soft. We're going to do Charlotte's Magic Serum, which really does what it says on the tin. It's magic. And it leaves you all plumped and dewy and hydrated. Got some sexy pregnancy regrowth hair that I just want to lube up. That's all getting soaked in. Ready for the next step. Magic Eye Rescue, to rescue these magic eyes. I'm just going to pat a bit of that in. Quite red today. New baby, bear with me. Oh, it feels so good and you just know that they're just going to wake up in a second. Ta-da! Next, we're going to do Charlotte's Magic Cream, which is a miracle product. I actually remember the days before Charlotte had her brand and she would mix up magic cream for shoots and stick it on our faces. So when this became available to buy, I think a lot of us were very, very excited. It's an amazing product. It feels so good. It smells so good. It smells like elegant and fresh. A big drink for the skin. It's the best prep for underneath makeup. Charlotte's Magic Hydrator Mist, which has hyaluronic mesh tech, I've just learnt in it. This is like summer skin. You just want to feel dewy and refreshed. It's kind of radiance in a bottle. Flawless Poreless Primer. Say that fast 10 times. It's perfect under makeup. It means that the makeup just glides on effortlessly and you're not gonna ruin your skin like we did when we were young. Put on the old neck. Unreal Skin, which I'm obsessed with, along with the rest of the world, because it's basically like no foundation. And of course, we all like to cheat a little bit. It's almost like got a concealer in it, which is crazy because it's so sheer, but it just blurs everything. And it's like the skin that you have when you just got back from holiday or stepped out of a spa and you feel your best. And kind of double up on it in the areas where you have a bit of redness. I'm pretty obsessed with this product. It's so easy and it literally takes 10 seconds. Magic. Brow cheat in taupe. I've got quite unruly eyebrows and they're nice and patchy. So this is the secret to perfect brows. Be gone, Gap. And now I'm going to just stick them up with Legendary Brows, which is legendary for a reason, especially if you've got slightly curly eyebrows like I do. But again, it's so natural because it's the shade that's basically exactly my taupe brow. We have Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I just use in the places where I have shadows or redness, basically a bit around here. And sometimes I just take it down there so that it blends. And up here, this is like sleep in a bottle, and a dab there and maybe a bit of that. I actually learnt makeup mostly from, well, Charlotte and my 12-year-old. Watch out, Charlotte, I'm coming for you. This is Eyes to Mesmerise in Oyster Pearl. I'll do a little bit on top that I'll blend in just to give a little bit of a sheen. And then I like to do a tiny bit underneath, which kind of opens the eye and takes it out a bit wider. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the classic Shimmering Brown, and I just like to do it like halfway across in the corner. Get another brush, just like blend that in. A smudge, just to lift up that eye a bit. I'm going to do Charlotte's Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. It gets into the root and it really lifts them up. The Beautiful Skin Bronzer, which is gorgeous. It's kind of creamy, and I do it in the places where you'll kind of catch the sun most, always there. And then bring that down. I probably will just do a little bit extra just right under the eye, which is weird, but works on me where I get my freckles. I'm going to use Lip Cheat Iconic Nude, and I like to go a little bit over. Too cheap. So I love this, it gives me a lip contour. Yeah, I'm cheating my lips to be a little bit fuller, which looks good on everyone. And then sort of smush that in a bit, and I'm gonna add some Pillow Talk. I think Pillow Talk is a perfect shade. It's very close to my natural lip shade, but it's obviously better and smoother. It's something, but it's not too much. And then I dab it, and with the excess, I put it on my cheeks. So I'm kind of taking it down as I do it, and then on my nose where I would get a little bit sun-kissed. Very versatile product. Beautiful Skin Island Glow. This is in a beach peach glow color. It's like a very creamy, beautiful, dewy blush that I'm gonna put where I would get a little bit sunburnt, and I love a peachy shade. It just feels, again, really natural. It adds a beautiful sheen, and it's funny, when you get sun-kissed, you do get a little bit of redness, but if it can be redness out of a pot, it's gonna look better than the real thing. Next, I'm gonna use a lip cheat in Foxy Brown to add to the freckles that I used to have that are now kind of more, well, there are a few, but they're not as pronounced as they used to be. Charlotte calls this the youth stick, and I have to agree. Squash them in. So that's like a beachy, sun-kissed schnoz. The Airbrush Flawless Finish, which has obviously been the most incredible product that people freak out for, because it just takes away the shine in the places that you want it to not be so prominent, and finishes a look whilst leaving what you've applied. So just a little bit in the places that I can see that I need it. So lastly, I'm gonna finish with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This will hold our natural summer look in place for 16 hours. It actually has green tea and aloe vera in it as well, so it's kind of skincare as well as setting spray. So I'm actually gonna cheat with a little trick. You can actually get this Unreal Skin in a darker shade and use it as a bronzer, and it's a really nice way just to finish. And again, on the eyes, because I can't resist that. Maybe a little smidge up there. So back in the day, Charlotte created a lipstick called Sexy Sienna, which was part of the Hot Lips collection. And if I was on a beach and I was going out for lunch and I wanted a little bit more, this kind of coral is so pretty. Just a little extra that you can stick on top. So darlings, there you have it. This is my summer look wrapped up with the Sexy Sienna at the very end. Yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. So this look is all about fresh summer skin, lifted eyes, dewiness, natural sun-kissed, freckles, a little bit of pink. I think people look beautiful after a day on the beach.